In my last video, we talked about how to maximize the hit ratio in your CDN, but it's highly unlikely you're going to consistently hit 100% because at the end of the day, content changes. Unfortunately, we still need those cache misses to be really fast, regardless of whether it's a website visitor or an API client. So beyond optimizing your backend application, here's a few things that you can do directly with your CDN. Firstly, if you look at this service, you can see it's mostly getting traffic from the UK. And while CDNs help distribute the cache globally, it still makes sense to position your origin closest to the majority of your customers. That way, fetches have the smallest round trip time possible. Secondly, you can use soft purging or stale while revalidate. These two features allow CDNs to serve stale content while they refresh the cache in the background, and that way everyone always gets that fast response time. And finally, you could pre-render any slower responses, so that way you're not waiting for a request to come in. Instead, it's sat there already in your origin cached or directly in your CDN. This works really well when you have something like a global menu that would typically mean purging the entire cache across the site, and instead you can have your CDN compose responses by reading a page out of the cache and injecting that updated menu. Remember, it's not enough to simply be fast 95% of the time. You need to be consistently fast, and your users will thank you for it.